In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change all fonts across an entire Canva design. If you've ever finished a design and then decided the font just doesn't fit, you'll know how frustrating it can be to go through every page and every text box one by one. The good news is, Canva makes it possible to update all matching fonts in just a few clicks, and that's exactly what we'll walk through together. First, open your design in Canva. Make sure you're on the main editing screen where you can see your canvas in the center and the toolbar options across the top. Take a quick look through your pages to get a sense of how many different text styles you're using. This will help you understand what's about to change. Next, click once on any text box that uses the font you want to replace. It can be a heading, a subheading, or regular body text. As soon as it's selected, you'll see the font name appear in the toolbar at the top of the screen. This is your reference point for the current font you're about to change. Now, click on the font drop-down in the top toolbar. This opens Canva's font library. You can either scroll through the list or type the name of the new font you want in the search bar. As you hover over fonts, you'll see a live preview on your selected text box, which is a great way to quickly test out different styles before committing. Once you've chosen the new font you like, click on it to apply it to the selected text box. Here's the key step. After you change the font, look for a small prompt that appears near the bottom of the screen or under the toolbar. It will say something like, "Change All" next to the font name. This option tells Canva to update every text box in your design that's using the original font. Click Change All. Canva will automatically scan your entire design and replace that old font with your new one everywhere it appears. Headings, subheadings, and body text that were using that specific font will all update in one go. Finally, take a moment to review your design page by page. Check that the new font is applied consistently and that everything still looks balanced. If something feels off, you can always repeat the process with a different font until you're happy with the overall look. And that's it. You've just changed all matching fonts across your entire Canva design in a fast, efficient way.